there, it's Ashley from WTI, and these are the Elite Core Sliders from Elite Sportz. These are really great for my at-home workouts. I love the size of these. These are the 7-inch diameter. They're in the color pink. The top of these are memory foam, so they're soft and will adequately fit your foot, and then the back are plastic. These really glide nicely on my wood floors. You can also use it on tile or carpet, pretty much anything that doesn't have a rubber surface that it's going to stick to. I use these every single time in my workout routine. I do about 4 to 5 workouts with these about 4 days a week. So I have noticed a huge difference in my core. I can't do all of the different workouts that you can do with these. I have to work up to that. But I do one in particular and it works really well and I'm exhausted. So if you're looking for something that's going to be compact, easy to use, it's a quality product that you can use at home or at the gym, then I highly recommend these, but that's just my point of view.